This channel is a place to think out loud about the intersection of technology, judgment, and ethics. Recently, there has been a lot of time talking about dashboards, AI, metrics, frameworks, and tools, but none of them make the final decision. Humans do and always have. Somewhere along the way, data stopped being a guide and started being treated like an authority, as if data were neutral, as if it were objective, as if it could replace thinking. Data became God, almost like Skynet from the Terminator movies, trusted implicitly, followed blindly. While we forgot one inconvenient truth, data is only as good as the human interpreting it, and only as ethical as the judgment behind its use. Dashboards serve a purpose, to tell the what and the how, but they don't tell us the why and what we should do next, especially when real trade-offs are involved. And most real decisions have trade-offs and consequences, especially in complex or high-stakes environments. These include decisions that affect regulated industries, tight budgets, reputational risk, but data can be incomplete, misleading, or the intent signals can conflict. If the optimization's made push in a direction that feels technically right, but strategically wrong, that's the moment where judgment must show up. And in too many cases, it doesn't. The quiet failure I see most often isn't bad data, it's decision makers hiding behind data to avoid making a call that they'll be accountable for. They use justifications like the analysis told us to, the dashboard suggested, the model optimized for. Those aren't decisions, those are abdications. They're ways of borrowing authority from a system so no one has to own the consequence when things go sideways. Good marketing doesn't ignore data, it respects it, but it also embraces an uncomfortable truth. Intelligence without judgment becomes white noise, and innovation without ethics becomes risk. The real work isn't explaining decisions in the moment, it's making the call that you can defend after the fact and still be able to look at yourself in the mirror when the pressure is gone, the room gets quieter, and the consequences of choice are real. Can you say, I made the best possible decision, or did you let AI do it for you? Judgment and ethics have always been the hidden variable. Tools change, dashboards evolve, accountability doesn't. Remembering humans using the tools makes the decision, and their judgment is what controls the outcome. If this line of thinking resonates, you're welcome to leave a comment or follow along. I'll be adding to this channel deliberately over time.